This is going to be a video of replacing the rear bumper on a 2015 Dodge Ram 2500 with Cummins. So as far as I know, this should be the same as a 1500. So we're right under the hitch here. There's two here that you get from on this side. Just one here and one here, it looks like, from here. And then the same over here. We've got to undo our two lights here. We'll start with that. Just twist them out, it should be. There's one. There's two. And this plug for the trailer. I should just press that down there. And come off. There we go. So that's what that looks like. It's just got a little little thing you press right there like that. Then you're left with that. So I'll zip these bolts out and show you what it looks like. The bumper's off the truck here now. You've got these dowels to guide it on. You got 1, 2 bolts. All the bolts are 5/8. You got these two in the center. I left those till the end. 2 on the outside with another dowel. There's the better view of the plug. Just press that down, pull it out. Same with our 2 license plate lights. Here's what it looks like off. We'll have to transfer this over to the new one. Just squeeze here and it should pop right out. There's the other bracket there. What you're gonna do here is just grab a set of these, pinch these 2 silver things together, and then it should pop right out. And we'll just put it right in the new one, which looks to be like it's on the opposite side. I don't think that'll be a problem, but we'll find out. So this is the bumper on. Looks good, turned out good. Difference between this bumper and the other bumper is this was originally on this side. Had to move it over here. So all I did for that, I just looped from that side. I looped it back over to that side, and it worked fine. But other than that, probably 20-15 minute job. Pretty easy, and definitely sharpens the truck back up if you got a dinged up bumper. Gotta get a little work done on this though now.